Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are in the process of remodeling our powder room. So we changed the tiles, put some shiplaps, changed the builder grade mirror, and also removed the pedestal sink and installed a floating vanity by IKEA. This video will be showing you how I tackled the plumbing, especially for the vanity. So let's check it out. This is the vanity which we have installed. It's hooked up to the wall. I put some silicone at the back and the faucet. So everything over here looks perfectly fine. If you come to the bottom, so this particular vanity has drawers. So these are the channels, and the drawers don't go all the way back. So it leaves some space for the plumbing to be done. The water connection was pretty easy, straightforward. I didn't have any shut-off valves, so I purchased these shut-off valves from Home Depot. These are from the company called Tehel. I'll link it in the description. So this is on. These are off right now, so pretty easy. This was straightforward. Now the challenge came when I had to do the drainage plumbing. So this over here, if you can see, this is the outlet coming out from the wall, the drain, and it has threads over here. And this is the plumbing which was provided by IKEA. You just put some. I put some silicone with the washer which was provided, and then this all is flexible, so you can move it around, and then even you can push this tube out or in depending on the space you have. This particular model didn't require an overflow because the overflow was built in into the sink. Otherwise, then there is this overflow option which you just knock out and put the black pipe which is already provided by IKEA. So didn't have to do that. Okay, coming to the part where the challenge, I had a small challenge. So like you can see, this opening is actually 1/4 inch, and the plumbing which was provided by IKEA. This is the plumbing. This is called a P-trap. So basically, they wanted us to push it here and then adjust this, but it doesn't go inside. Like you see, it's exact half inch. So this pipe is actually half inch, and this opening is 1/4 inch. So I had to do something about it. I went to Home Depot, went to a local plumbing store, but no one could help me. They did give me some options, but then if with those turns and all those connections, my drawers would have closed because it would have created a lot of turns right around here. So I will show it to you exactly what I did. This is actually 1/4 inch P-trap which IKEA provided, and as you can see, this is the black coupling and the nut. So since it's one and a half inch, it wasn't fitting into my coupling there. So this is another coupling another P-trap which I bought from Amazon. I'll link it in the description, and like you see, this fits perfectly into the hub. But the problem was that this was a bit long because my pipe inside was taking a right turn as soon as it goes in. So I had to cut a piece of this P-trap. It was a PVC P-trap and very easy to cut with a hex saw or a circular saw. So this is the cut piece. I was just cleaning the edges from the P-trap, and this is a small piece, but we don't have to throw this piece. It will be used in the next step. This is the part of the plumbing which IKEA provided. So this gets connected to the sink drain, and then there's a straight pipe. This is 1.5 inch, and like you can see, it gets covered by 1/4 inch. This is the part which I got from Amazon. So this actually is an adapter which will reduce 1.5 to 1/4 inch pipe. It's not a reducer, like you can see, it's just a straight piece of pipe with two nuts. But how it will reduce is that this is the pipe, and then there is the nut goes on top of it, and the other end also, then there's another nut which goes on the P-trap. The way it's connected is with these two washers. So these both are different washers. One is thicker, one is thinner. Both have the same diameter. It's just that the thicker one will act as a reducer, and the the thinner one will be a straight washer. I will show it to you how we attach both these to them. So first we have to put in the nut, and then we have to slide onto the washer. Since this is the part which we have to reduce, this is the straight part, sorry, and this adapter has a marking, so it will not go beyond that. And then once I drop in the nut, we just tighten it, and this is still 1.5 inch, like you can see. And now the piece which I had cut from the P-trap, which I bought from Amazon, now we'll be using the thicker washer because we have to reduce 1.5 to 1/4 inch, and then slide the nut on it. So we have this small piece of leftover P-trap pipe, and this will slide on to the existing IKEA plumbing. Now we just remove the washer and attach it to the small piece of pipe which we had left over, and slide back the nut, and then just slide it back in position. So everything is flexible. I'm just hand tightening it so that we can see how it's reduced. So now you can see it reduces from 1.5 to 1/4 inch with the help of one adapter. And now I'm just pushing it into the vanity drainage and the speed trap. Everything is adjustable. I'm just dry fitting it for now, just making sure that the P-trap drainage goes right inside the opening there, and just lowering the straight tube and then pushing it inside. Once it's done, I will tighten everything. It has been installed. So this was the original IKEA plumbing until here, and then this was the adapter which I got. This is 1.5 inch pipe, then a thinner washer, then a nut, and then a piece of 1/4 inch pipe. So the way this 1.5 becomes 1/4 is because of the thick washer which I showed to you. And then from here, this point, it's all 1 1/4 inch plumbing, the P-trap going into the wall, and then I put in a new nut here and tighten with the pliers. So everything is done. I've switched on the water supply, and just to test, so as you can see, no leakage, nothing. So it was a successful project. To 1/4 inch drainage if you have at your place. So IKEA stuff does look fancy, but at times it gives you certain challenges. So I hope this video was helpful to you. We do a lot of home improvement projects, DIY. So if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video, and do share with your friends and family, because I'm pretty sure that many of us have been facing this challenge. I was trying to see other videos on YouTube, but I couldn't find, so I thought of making this video for everyone who's facing this similar challenge. I'll link all the products which I've used in the description below. I'm based in Ontario, Canada, but I'm pretty sure these products are made in US. So if you're in US, then you can order them from Amazon.com. Until next time, take care. Bye.